You might not know that we have a new harp teacher starting at Learning the Harp soon, so there are a lot of changes happening around here. We currently have about 1,000 students taking our courses every month, and we want to keep on offering more things to help with all different aspects of learning to play the harp. But the problem is I'm already at full capacity creating 2 new courses per month, plus workshops, plus Zoom meetups and YouTube videos, so I can't do a lot more. For example, we want to be able to offer courses on different topics that support your learning in different ways, to give you personalized feedback on your harp playing, and be able to offer meetups in different times that actually suit you in the different time zones. If I push myself, I might burn out, and that actually affects a lot of people because it's not only the students, it's also my team working really hard alongside me. So I have to keep producing stuff, which would be a problem if I get sick or if I get pregnant or if I just want to take some time off. I don't want to let you guys down. I discussed this all with my sisters and we realized that we need another harp teacher at Learning the Harp. So we've been going on a process over the past few months. We've chosen a person and she's going to be starting in September. I'm going to be introducing her to you this week, so we're all very excited here. And I asked my team to brave the camera and tell you why they're excited for the new harp teacher.
Well, being an editor, I see a lot of Crystalline every day, so it's going to be super exciting to have a new face to actually look at day to day. That's going to be super cool.
I am very excited that we are going to have somebody from a completely different country joining us. She's going to have all sorts of different ideas to what we're used to as South Africans that can benefit both us as a team and our Learning the Harp students.
I'm so excited for our new harp teacher because we have big plans for how we want to serve the harp world now and in the future, and having more than Crystalline being the only one creating content is what's going to make that possible and also sustainable.
The new teacher might have different interests, which will bring a different flavor to learning the harp.
The harp teacher will be really great for our students to have another teaching perspective, just a different way of learning and being taught. So yay!
I'm really excited that the new teacher is in a different time zone and will be bringing that aspect and get to connect with you in a time that's not like pajama time or dinner time or the early hours of the night.
I'm on holiday at the moment, but I just wanted to send a quick word of excitement that the Learning the Harp team is expanding. It's always so much fun having new people join our team, and of course we've got a new teacher joining, so just lots of fun learning new songs.
I'm excited for Crystalline to be able to plan and talk and make arrangements with another harpist.
I'm also really excited that there are some things that Crystalline will be able to hand over and have less of a workload as she focuses more and more on creating content that is helpful for everyone. So I think that's going to be really nice.
I'm excited for the challenge of making videos and courses from 2 different points in the world, like in different time zones.
We're an international company these days, so the more the merrier.
The growth that we're seeing is amazing, and the more we grow, the more we're able to reach new people and new students, and just get everyone who loves the harp and even those who don't even know about the harp to get them to start playing.
I think this is an amazing step towards us being able to reach more harp players all around the world.
It's such a lovely feeling to be a part of that, and just knowing that our harp teacher group is growing.
Oh, it's going to be awesome. It's always exciting having somebody new here. And as I said, it's going to be really cool. Like, I know Megan is in Croatia, so she's technically in a different country, but this is going to be an actual person from a different country, in a different country, with a completely different background to probably all of us in this room. So I think it's going to add such a dynamic to our team. It's going to be so exciting.
I mean, who wouldn't want an extra Crystalline around?
Now, what is it going to look like when we have a new harp teacher? Are we suddenly going to start producing double the number of things? Are we going to produce different things? Are you going to stop seeing me altogether? Our plan is for her to start creating courses right away, and I'll be training her, so I'll do fewer in the beginning, but I definitely don't plan to stop creating courses altogether. I will still be doing most of the YouTube videos at first, but we'll gradually get her involved in doing some of them. And I will still be doing Harp Grove Zoom meetups, but the new teacher will very soon be able to offer them at different times for those of you who are in different parts of the world. As our business grows, I do naturally spend a bit more time on behind the scenes things, but I'm not about to disappear, and I'm really excited to be able to do some of the on-camera things that I haven't had time for up to this point. This feels like a really big step because we'll be able to help you in new ways and we won't be burning me out in the process. So do you have any questions about the new Harp Teacher? Let us know down in the comments and I'm going to be introducing her to you soon.